Lesson 73, Discovering Functions. In this lesson, we'll take a look at the FX button, a great way to search for a function when you don't know which function to use. We'll see the Function Arguments dialog box and how to get help on any function. Okay, so let's say that you're interested in buying a new car. $25,995 is the price. You want to pay for it over 60 months, and 6.5% is the interest rate. Well, there's 355 functions in Excel, but if you don't know which function to use, there's the Insert Function dialog that will help you find the function. Now, I think it's just a little bit funny that the icon has always been here to the left of the formula bar, Insert Function. But I guess they want to make people more aware of this ability. So on the Formulas tab, they added it as a huge icon. And then in every single category dropdown, they added it at the bottom. I went through at one point. There's 13 different places where this FX icon appears, but provided you have the formula bar on the screen, you can just use this one right here. And simply, we type what we're trying to do. So we're trying to figure out a car payment, and click Go. Excel gives us a short list of the functions that might apply to car payments. For each function, help tells us what the function does. Well, PMT calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. That's the one we want. So we click OK, and Excel brings us to the Function Arguments dialog box. This is great when you're trying to enter a function for the first time and you're not familiar with the arguments. I like that it gives us help for each individual argument. Any arguments in bold are required. Arguments not in bold are optional. So rate is the interest rate per period for the loan. For example, use 6% divided by 4 for quarterly payments at 6% APR. Well, that's very helpful because then I know that I have to use that interest rate, which is an annual rate, divided by 12. They even show me that that's 0.005416667. In this case, I'm not sure that I care, but sometimes it would be nice to see that intermediate result. N-pair. What is N-pair? Total number of payments for the loan. Oh, that's the number of periods. I get it. It's this cell. PV. Well, I've learned that this is the price of the car, and it has to be negative. So I type the minus sign and click on $25,995. As soon as I've entered the data for the required arguments, you'll see that I see an answer, 508.62. That sounds like a car payment, so I'll click OK. Well, there you have it. A few minutes ago, I didn't know which function to use, and by using the FX button, I was able to very quickly build the function. Now, if you're to the point where you know it's the PMT function, but you're not sure of exactly how the arguments work, equal PMT, type the open parentheses. At this point, you can either hit Control-A or the FX button, and Excel will quickly display function arguments. And if this two-line help is not enough, you can always click on Help on this function. The Microsoft Excel help for the functions is excellent. It will walk through every argument and show you some tips for how to use the function. Well, there you have it. The FX button, a great way to discover new functions and to have Excel walk you through how to create those functions. I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.